channel. This is Jenny and welcome to the Ver Travels. Okay, so for today, it's my day off. So we're just gonna continue cleaning, hopefully, and be productive today. For the apartment, lilinisin natin yung living room and everything because we have a delivery tomorrow for the coffee table para naman may laman na yung living room natin. And then after that, I think I'm gonna go to Daiso later or something. So I'm gonna take you guys with me for today. Samahan niyo ako na linisin tong apartment ko and samahan niyo akong mawala ulit later. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and yeah, just keep on watching my videos. So tara! Ito pala yung mirror na fail na kailangan mong i-hack. Pag wala akong screwdriver, so kailangan akong screwdriver. Hey mirror, what's up? I think there's more. Ganito sila mag-box ng delivery. Sobrang ayos. Oh gosh. Love it. Share.
So I went on ahead and went to Daiso and the nearest grocery store in our apartment, which is in Toho. I'm sorry I wasn't able to video because I was such in a hurry and we got lost. So I first went to Daiso and just quickly browsed some stuff, bought some stuff for the kitchen and things like that. And I just took a few minutes here and then quickly I went to the grocery store upstairs. But before going to the grocery store, I actually got distracted because I saw these Kimetsu no Yaiba masks, which I wanted to buy.
Okay, so grocery shopping tayo for the first time. So, konti lang naman kunin natin. Daikon. Hey, nakasale yung daikon. Sarap. Lettuce. Sarap. Ito yan. Oh, they have like light and fragrant. Grabe naman yung tomato nila. 100 pesos halos. Mini tomato. Hehe. Guys, grabe yung fruit nila dito. Ang mamahal. Shish. Shish. Okay ka lang, shish. Oh, tofu. Tofu. 106 lang. Yeah, still. Nakakaloka ang mahal. Komatsu na. Ang substitute sa pechay. Yung bawang nila naka-freeze. Okay lang naman. Yung chicken na naka-plastic. Oh, I found the egg. Hi, baby. Ba't ka naman nandito? Cherry. Guys, super love natin yung Japanese sausage. So cute. Cute. So, nagawa tayo ng video haul ng mga pinagbibili natin sa supermarket a while ago. So, this is my first time shopping in a Japanese supermarket for grocery. And ito yung mga nabili natin. Okay, so let's start. First, we have mga gulay. So, I got this, I think this is komatsuna. I think this is spinach. Not sure if I got that one. Also have cabbage. And then I also got enoki mushroom. Mura siya dito in fairness. I have garlic na naka-ref yung garlic nila dito. Cute. Pang side dish. I don't know what it's called, but I like their pickled stuff. I also bought another pickled side dish. Okay, and another garlic. Yeah, so yung furikake for the rice. So pag wala tayong makain, furikake na lang tayo. Charingit lang. Also got pepper, of course. Pang seasoning natin. So, Misashiru. Daisuki. Okay. Oh yeah, I also got dahon ng laurel kasi mag-aadobo tayo. Score. For the meat, I got salmon pack. In fairness, mura yung salmon nila. So, mag-sinigang na salmon tayo. Yung another salmon pack. I got chicken breast. Dalawa to eh. So, nandun somewhere yung isa. But yeah, ito na yung mga pinakamura. Ground chicken. So, hindi ko alam kung gawin ko dito. Siguro magtatry ako meatball or something. Sure. Favorite hot dog sausage. What? Sugar. Pan. Bread. Okay, na 6 na piraso lang lagi yung pan. Ano ba eh? Tofu. Plus mura lang siya. Siyempre, patos tayo mura. Yung chopped onion chives, kasi mahal yung isang buo, like yung mahaba. Baka mabulukan lang ako. So, yung maliit na lang na chives. Oh, sorry. So, yung maliit na chives lang. And then I also got daikon, radish, sinigang. Yeah, so sinigang, basically, ang sinigang natin is radish tsaka spinach and the salmon. This onion and potato. Okay, I'll double check. Ito yung isa pang chicken breast. I also got a dozen of egg. Because egg is life. Pickle. Shit. Pickled radish. Fave. And then yung pang curry mix. Mahal to sa Pilipinas. Pero dito, mas mura siya. Ito. So, happy. And then, also got strawberry jam for my bread. And ito try ko tong like pancake. Oh no, this is red bean paste cream dorayaki. Mali pala yung nakuha ko. Well, anyway, kakainin ko pa rin siya kasi. And I also got myself coffee and milk in a carton. Because we gotta get our daily dose of coffee. Yeah, and oh yeah, canola oil. Okay, kailangan kong hanapin yung carrots. Kasi nawala siya. Hindi complete ang ating curry nang wala yung carrots. So, I'll be right back. We got our carrots! So, makakapag-chicken curry na tayo. And yeah, that was everything I bought for the grocery. My total was around 6,400 plus yen. And yeah, not bad kasi 10,000 yen naman yung budget natin for groceries. So, I think moving forward, mabubuhay naman tayo sa grocery year sa Japan. So, yes. Ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. you.